my channel, The Shining Shina, and the Shina is back. So I am back with such an interesting video, like very interesting video. Can you just see the difference, guys? Yeah, that's the difference. Guys, I have reduced. I shared this thing on my Instagram, that I have reduced almost 7 kgs. I was 70 something, and at this point of time I am 63 something. So that's a big achievement for me, because point is that कि मेरा weight बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम से मेरा weight stuck था. It was like totally stuck and I could not reduce it. मैंने gymming करी, सब करा, but it was still stuck there. So मेरा वेट 7 kgs एकदम से नहीं गिरा, बट जो सबसे ज़्यादा सक्सेस मुझे मिला, दैट आई वॉज एबल टू रिड्यूस 4 kgs of weight in just 2 weeks. In just 2 weeks I was able to do that. So that's the main thing of me making this video. You people wanted to know what diet I followed, what routine, what physical exercise routine I followed, जिसकी वजह से I could reduce this much of my weight. So I am here. I will tell you each and everything, right? So yeah, let's get started with the video, and I will tell you my secret diet. I won't say it is a secret diet. The point is that it's something which I grabbed from so many other dietitians, और कुछ इधर उधर से उठाया और कुछ गूगल किया. So बहुत सी चीज़ें जिसने मेरी वेट पे अफेक्ट किया है. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मैंने जैसे बताया कि एकदम से 7 किलो नहीं गिरा है. दिस हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड ग्रेजुअली, एंड बाय द टाइम इट हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड. सबसे पहले मेरा जो वेट गिरा था, लाइक आई वॉज 70 kg, एंड आई स्टार्टेड जिमिंग 8 to 9 months back. I started gymming and I was at 70 kg, and उस टाइम आई थिंक मेरा सिर्फ 1 किलो आधा किलो वेट ऐसे गिरा था, एंड कुछ नहीं. फिर मेरी जिमिंग भी छूट गई. आई जस्ट लेफ्ट दैट, and I was really stressed कि मेरा weight नहीं कम हो रहा. And the reason behind putting on weight is depression. Why did I get depression, or how did I put on weight? Not even depression, और बहुत medical reasons भी थे due to which I had put on weight. I will make a separate video someday on that thing also, but for now let's talk about this. So फिर मैंने अपनी डाइट को वैसे ही नॉर्मली ही कंट्रोल करना शुरू किया. मैंने जंक छोड़ दिया, मैंने चावल छोड़ दिए, आई लेफ्ट चपाती. तो मैंने बहुत ही अपनी डाइट को ना बैलेंस करने की कोशिश की. आई ट्राई टू ईट मोर पोहा, मोर दलिया. जब मैं 70 kg की थी, 69 और 70 kg, उस टाइम मैं कोई प्रॉपर डाइट फॉलो नहीं कर रही थी. एंड एट दैट टाइम ओनली मैंने 2 to 3 kgs रिड्यूस कर लिया. द पॉइंट इज़ दैट कि मैंने जंक बिल्कुल छोड़ दिया, मैंने चावल छोड़ दिए, मैंने रात को खाना छोड़ दिया, लाइक लेट नाइट खाना छोड़ दिया, और मैंने रोटी पराठा ये सब भी ये सब खाना छोड़ दिया था. सो मेरा वेट उसी टाइम में एकदम से गिर गया. आफ्टर दैट अगेन माई वेट गॉट स्टक टू 66, लाइक अगेन प्रॉपर स्टक हो गया मेरा वेट. दैट इज़ अ टाइम, अभी 2 महीने पहले, जब मैंने ये एक्चुअल 2 महीने सॉरी आई थिंक 1.5 महीना पहले, 1.5 मंथ बैक, ये वाली डाइट जो मैं एक्सप्लेन करने जा रही हूँ, ये वाली डाइट मैंने फॉलो करना शुरू किया था. एंड इन जस्ट 2 or 2.5 weeks आई reduced 4 kgs of weight. So 3 kgs then, and then 4 kgs now. So it's in total 7 kgs I reduced only through diet and bit of walking and a little bit of physical exercise, जो कि मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाई. So yeah, let's just first thing. So first thing, you need to cut out any kind of junk food that you are having. Guys, junk food खाओगे, fried food खाओगे, you need to cut out any junk food, any fried food that you are having, because yeah, you need to do that. It's high time that you need to skip all, like leave all type of junk food. जंक फूड में टिक्की, समोसा, बाहर का बर्गर, चाउमीन, लाइक कुछ भी जंक जो बाहर का है वो छोड़ना पड़ेगा. फ्राइड छोड़ना पड़ेगा. सो यू हैव टू लीव ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो दैट्स व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट अफेक्टेड माई वेट द मोस्ट. जैसे ही आप जंक खाना छोड़ोगे, आपकी बॉडी मतलब खुद ब खुद बहुत वेट ख़त्म कर देती। कोई भी चीज़ मैदे से बनी हुई, not at all. Momos, please leave all that junk food. Second thing that helped me was to cut off rice and roti. No chawal, no roti. I stopped eating roti, I stopped eating chapati, I stopped eating chawal. So instead of that, मेरे घर में कोई भी सब्जी रोटी बनती थी तो मैं सब्जी के साथ दही और सैलड लेती थी. Like every time in lunch or dinner, I used to have a full balanced meal with सब्जी and salad. And mostly dinner में मैं सिर्फ सूप लेती थी, either chicken soup or vegetable soup. सिर्फ वो and a lot of salad along with it. Salad and fiber are the most important thing. Let's talk about it later. ठीक है. So chawal and rice, you have to cut out that. Then yeah, what you have to take, what you have to inculcate in your diet. So morning में I used to start my morning with warm water, in which I used to put these things. I used to put, in Hindi I'll tell you because it's better for you to know, सूखा धनिया. I used to put jeera. I used to put fenugreek seeds like methode. Jeera is cumin seeds, and sukha dhania dried coriander, and sukha dhania like dried coriander. I used to dip like half teaspoon of these three in water, in 1 cup of water at night. I used to dip it for the whole night, and then in morning I used to boil that water until and unless that water gets half boil होने के बाद आधा हो जाए जब वो पानी, then you have to drink it. So I start my morning with this. For my breakfast, I used to take 1 cup of tea, and sometimes I used to have besan ka chila, besan ka pura, or even I used to have oats ka chila, oats ka pura, whatever you want to say. So this is what I used to have in my breakfast. And so many times I even used to skip this, and I used to have fruits, only fruits for my breakfast, and tea after that with 1 brown bread, or I should say atta bread. It's better that you have atta bread than brown bread, right? So this was my morning routine. After that, before having lunch, the most important thing that actually made my weight reduce, या मुझे लगता है जिससे मेरे वेट में फ़र्क पड़ा है, that's chia seeds. So before having lunch or before having dinner, I used to soak chia seeds for half an hour in water, and then I used to have it half an hour before my lunch or before my dinner, and then I used to have dinner or lunch after having that, after half an hour of having chia seeds. So this is what I used to do before having lunch or dinner. Then lunch में कोई भी सब्जी घर में बनी है, सब्जी, दही and a lot of salad. जो भी seasonal सब्जियाँ चल रही हैं उसका salad. I'm really sorry, there's no corona. And a lot of salad, like कोई भी seasonal सब्जी चल रही है तो उसका salad I used to have खीरा, टमाटर, anything, और कोई भी सब्जी बनी है you can have that and दही along with it. दोपहर को when I used to crave for anything, I used to make a vegetable sandwich, or I used to make paneer sandwich, or with green tea or black coffee most of the times. And in the evening तो हमारा यही होता था कि evening हमारा 8 बजे तक हमें डिनर करना होता था, 8 से 9 बजे तक. So again I used to soak chia seeds in water, 1 cup of water for half an hour. Then before having dinner, half an hour before dinner I used to have it, and then I used to have dinner. And for dinner I used to have a lot of salad, sometimes only chicken soup and boiled chicken, sometimes only vegetable soup and like vegetables in it, and a lot of salad. Like with every meal, the most important thing is to have a lot of salad, because the more you have fiber, the more body will use its energy to digest that fiber, so it will actually help you to do weight loss much better way, in a much better way. So yeah, I used to have even brown rice. Instead of using white rice, you can have brown rice ka pulao. You can make brown rice pulao. What else I used to have? I used to have dal in dinner. I used to have dal salad in dinner. and that's all. I guess I used to have chili chicken in dinner. You can, if you're non-vegetarian, you can make chili chicken without using oil, like lots of veggies and sauces and chicken. And if you are a vegetarian, you can always make paneer, chili paneer, or you can have chicken tikka, you can have paneer tikka for dinner. I think this is something very tasty for dinner, and you know, your tummy feels full, and even just don't miss having salads. So these are the things that helped me, which I had inculcate in my diet, and which I stopped having in my diet. And most important thing, stop eating at night. If you still feel hungry at night, if you are awake, you need to snack onto makhanas. You know makhana क्या होते हैं? Makhana लाओ, उसको घर में बनाओ. You can roast it at home, put some masalas in that, and that's the best snack that you can have when you are hungry at night. Or eat a lot of salad or fruits at night. Don't go for anything else except this. And you can actually have green tea when you feel like having it. Green tea doesn't help in weight loss, but it actually fastens the process, like it actually improves the metabolism and improves your digestion. So it's good to have green tea in that way. Don't take it ज़्यादा. Green tea ज़्यादा लेने से भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, हेल्थ इश्यूज हो जाते हैं. So please don't do that. Try to eat before 8 PM or till the 8 PM dinner. जो भी है 8 से 9 बजे के बीच में कर लेना ही best है. So these are few things that actually helped me to reduce weight. I reduced weight, 7 kgs of weight, as you can see in that footage that I just showed you. So I reduced 7 kgs of weight just using these things, just following this diet, and do a lot of walking. 1 hour walking, 30 minutes walking, at least do 30 minutes walking per day, or it gives a lot of difference in your physique, in your body. You can see सबसे पहले weight loss दिखेगा, inches loss दिखेंगे आपको. And this is my actual जो मेरा मोटा होने के टाइम का size है वो है, and now it's actually this. I hope you can see the difference. So yeah, this is all that helped me to reduce my weight, and I hope it will help you too. And I hope I haven't missed on anything. If I have, let me just scroll down everything which I have written down. Just repeated: no fried, no junk food, no maida food, no रात का खाना, late night खाना, no rice, no roti, and पूरी वूड़ी सब छोड़ देना है. So yeah, that's the most important thing which you have to cut down, and which you have to inculcate. You just have to inculcate warm water in morning, and chia seeds before having your lunch or dinner, and even salads with anything that you're having lunch or dinner. So eating a lot of salad will help you to reduce a lot of weight. Eat a lot of fiber, like brown rice. It has a lot of fiber. Something which has a lot of fiber you can inculcate in your diet, and your weight will reduce. And stuck हो जाता है weight, तो ज़रूर आप try करो physical exercise, उससे weight और अच्छे से reduce होता है. So I hope this video will help you a lot, and if it did so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below कि ये वीडियो ने आपको हेल्प किया या नहीं किया. मैंने ये वीडियो पहले भी शूट किया था गाइस, बट ड्यू टू एक सॉन्ग प्ले हो रहा था पीछे, and due to that song वीडियो में कॉपीराइट इशू आ गया, and I have to reshoot it again now. So पूरी footage again I had to reshoot. So yeah, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Till the next video, I love you all. Bye bye.